So, hello guys, welcome to my English learning day 2 sessions. So, today I will share my daily routine. So, today I get up 7:45 o'clock because I get up early mornings. Today was my internal exam. So, I get up 45 o'clock and I go for natural calls and I brush my teeth. Approx I took 5 to 10 minutes and I take baths. After that I revise some concept for digital electronics. Approx 45 minutes. In 45 minutes I revise number system, each and every concept I revise. What is sines, sine magnitudes, one's complements, two's complements, and I also see some things about combinatorics circuits, and I see how to convergence base to decimal, decimal to any base conversion. So those things in digital electronics, approx 45 minutes quickly revision. And my internals exam was 9:30 o'clock. So uh, I uh, in I out of my room approx 9:15 to 20 o'clock. Today I did not took my breakfast because time already time already was that times 9:20, and in my room to my college distance approx 500 meters, and also my exam was in fourth floor. So also to lengthy times took lengthy times approx 10 to 15 minutes. So I leave the breakfast, and I go for uh, I went for internal exam, and when I went there, I was already every student sit there, and I also go there, and sit with Sonu, and in my fronts was 2 to 3 bench, and I was in third number bench, and my behind was Ratnesh and Sasikant, and behind my behind approx 5 bench, and in my college bench is was 1 2 3 4 four columns, and if I say that's row, so 1 2 approx 7 10 row wise benches. So approx 40 bench was there, and so my exam was starts 9:30 o'clock, and first exam was my software project management, and I because internals exam is 30 marks exam. So in by college give 1 hours 10 minutes, and in 1 hours we write theoretical, and 15 1 hour 15 minutes exams, and 15 minutes for give a quiz. 10 cues. Each cue is 1 marks. All cues are MCQ, multi choice questions. And I write very well because question was very good, and I attempt approx every questions, but one questions was left because I don't have times because reasons of time. So don't worry, I leave one question. So and 10:45 o'clock out of end of my exams, and uh, about by the college give 15 minutes 15 minutes breaks, and against 11 o'clock starts our exams. That was subjects ethical, that was subject cyber crime, cyber security ethics. So cyber security ethics questions was moderate level questions, and some questions was hard level question. So questions we can say that questions was very good quality questions. And after that we wrote our exams against the process repeat same times. And I can say that questions asked in our college totals 5 questions. Those are 2 marks questions. And long questions total ask approx three questions, and every questions gives or you can solve, suppose that 1A or 1B. So which questions you can able you can solve in 2 questions. You have options, you have choice, you can solve any one questions from both. So that was my college rules and college exam processes. Against my exams ends approx 11 to 12:15 o'clock. And after that I came my room because next exam was 2 a.m. From 2 p.m. So I came my room, and I rest approx 1 hour. And I scroll some reels and use my mobile phones. And I go for canteens for lunch because tomorrow was I because tomorrow did not have breakfast. So I go for lunch approx 1 p.m. And after 1 p.m. I took my lunch. And again came my room because I have times approx 15 minutes. So sorry, 20 to 25 minutes. And I use mobile phones again because that times not any work I have. So use against my mobile phones. And go for exams. And against attempts my internal exams. And there was leaves 3:15 o'clock. So it can maybe 5 minutes up and down, not down but up. So I came against 3:30 p.m. in my room. And I use again same process mobile phones. I scroll, I use Instagram approx 1 hour. And after that I go for a study on my tables approx 5 o'clock 5 p.m. So and I study what is study? I do study aptitude because aptitudes I did not learn from students. So I start from aptitude. and I learned 1 hour. I watch 1 hour lectures of Avinash sir, Anivesh sir. I think surname is Anivesh sir. He is very brilliant teacher, and I watch clocks topics. So sir say, and sir told everything is very clear. Sir teach in very crystal clear everything, each and every concepts, how to work, how to find angles if given times, how to find in 1 hour's degree, relative aspects. So those things teaches very clear and very attractive way. So and I do classes, and after that someone come my room, and he we are gossiping each other. Approx lost my times there, approx 1 hour for gossipings, and after that I check notifications of gate examinations. I read pages, informations voucher, what is required, what is eligibility criteria, etc. And I then time approx say 8:30 o'clock, and I called Sasikant for, because I want to take from him pickles, because I want to for go to dinner. So today was jeera rice. So jeera rice with pickles. I like jeera rice with pickles. So I request from Sasikant, please give me pickles, because I liked pickles with jeera rice. So he give me pickles. Since again we all are go for our dinners, and we had took our dinners, and after dinners came came room, and again I watch one YouTube some videos, not just I scroll reel, because I this time I watch videos one sessions going once once Vishdeep Gothi sir, how to achieve single digit ranks in 5 months. So I watch their strategy videos, and that video was very benefits. I think sir said everything, how to manage times, and how to do plans. So if you want to also start your preparation with very from zero levels, you can start, you can watch videos one Gate Wala channels. I am not here do any promotions, but it is love of Vishdeep Gothi sir, because he is the very brilliant teacher. He is the god of computer organizations, architectures, and operating system. So he is the best faculty, I think. So you can watch video of Vishdeep Gothi sir. So everything teach in very clear and with crystal clear. So it was my 9:30 o'clock till 9:30 o'clock, we can say that's routines. And after I again I start my study 10:30 o'clock. What study I do after 10:30 o'clock? So I study just I revise deadlock concepts, because approx 1 month I will know I was not revised that. So I revise everything in deadlocks, but I watch there I see there's something was doubt. uh, what was doubt? So doubt when resources allocations, do allocation. So that topics was doubts, how to when resources request, suppose that from A to 1 and say B, type B request to 0 and type C request to, so it will be allocated. So there was a doubt. What was doubt? So doubt was guys, कि I clears that things कि suppose that if request P0, so I will change from there. But I think before watching videos, I was confused कि everything change. We need to check every need, less request less than request I less than need I, so does not need. So only need, we should check those particular need, should be request from should be request I less than equal to need I, and second check request I also should be less than equal to available I, and again use formula allocation is equal to allocations, first of all here will be available is equal to available less than equal to request I, and again that will be then allocations for allocations, allocations equal to allocations plus request I, and for need, so need equal to need minus request I, then it will be satisfied. Then use check for safety algorithm, how in this way, how to check for previous thing. So again you can check in this manner. So I do those things, and after that, now I am making this video, and currently I am learning English. So guys, I want to clear one thing in this video. Maybe lot of sentence mistake, maybe lot of grammar mistakes, maybe lot of confusions. So those things, maybe not, maybe it will be sure, because I know, but I want to improve my English. So I think how can I improve my English? So I think I realized that I want to improve my English. So first of all, I should be changed. I want to do something for learn English, because if I want to learn English, so first of all I need practice, because without practice we cannot achieve anything. So I select YouTube channels, and I think every day I practice on the camera my English, and I upload this video on YouTube channel, and I ask my audience how is my English, and please say about my improvements from past videos, because I also upload day one videos, and today I will upload day two videos. Today was gap because I will practice those days, but those days some reasons was I could not able to make videos. So sorry for that, but today I will today I am making this video, and I will upload videos on YouTube. So it's not my purpose for earn money on YouTube, but just I want to upload these videos on YouTube for awareness, because lots of people who want to learn English, but he is not practice English, so he can practice according to me. You can also take your mobile phones and you can open your camera and you can continue your speaking English. So because if you will not speak English, then you cannot speak English. So first of all, start your speak English, then you can automatically learn English. Because if you not speak English, so how can you speak English? When you start do something, then you can achieve something. If you will not start, then how can do it? So first we need a start our journey, because without a start we cannot got anything. But if we will start, then we can see takes lot of things. So now I want to end my videos conversations, and so in the end I want to say something. Because if you want to improve your English, so not it is enough for only a speak. You must be realize after videos where I do mistake and how can I improve there. What is problem when I speak English? Maybe it word problems, because that times not comes word, and maybe grammar problems, maybe helping verb problems, maybe noun problems. So lot of problems maybe. So it is realize, it is analyze, and it is and one things I want to share with you. It is mandatory if you want to learn English, guys. So you need to learn every day 20 words. Just you remember every day 20 words. That word should be daily usage words. You can purchase, you can download from anywhere, from any institutes where provides a spoken English course, and you can also watch one's YouTube channels, lots of free courses and lot of free PDFs where you can remember that thing and apply that things one daily usage life. So guys, now I want to end this session. So love you guys, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।